Hey there, you're watching The Fact Flash. Tonight's headline comes with a lemony twist. A missing mayor and a whole lot of garbage, both literal and political. Welcome to Vadodara, where the ground reality stinks, the garbage vans don't move, and your civic leaders. They're flying high off to Delhi to discuss how to clean cities while their own city rots under their nose. This week, Mayor Pinky Soni and Standing Committee Chairperson Dr. Sheetal Mistry decided that it was time to escape the smell of Vadodara's overflowing bins and hop on a flight to Delhi for a solid waste management program. The irony. Their own city's waste hasn't been managed in months, and we're all seeing that. But don't worry, they say this isn't a vacation, this is official duty. Because apparently, the best way to fix a broken drainage system is to attend a conference 3 states away and tweet about sustainability. Meanwhile, back home, Vadodara is doing what it does best, decaying in silence. Localities from Kothari to Makkarpura are turning into biohazard zones. Residents are forced to walk past mountains of uncollected garbage, like it's a new part of city's infrastructure. Elderly people are falling sick, stray animals are fighting over filth, the flies thriving more than ever. And yet, our top leaders are not in the field. They are not doing inspection rounds. They are not ensuring immediate action notices. No, they're in Delhi, nodding through keynote speeches about smart urban waste solutions. And the excuse? Oh, it gets better. Every time the citizens raise their voice, Mayor Pinky Soni threatens to resign. If things don't improve, I will quit. We have heard that line so often, it could be printed on Vadodara's welcome board. But nothing improves. Nobody quits. Nobody takes responsibility. They just board a flight and pretend the problem is 30,000 feet below them. Standing Committee Chairperson Dr. Sheetal Mistry, equally brilliant. This is the person responsible for reviewing civic decision, budget approvals, sanitation policies, and yet somehow garbage collection doesn't make it to his to-do list. What does make it to him schedule? A multi-day trip to Delhi in the middle of a city-wide sanitation collapse? But what about Deputy Mayor Chirag Barot? Why didn't he tag along for this all expenses paid government field trip? Disguised as a learning session? Well, we asked him, and here's what he said. There's an important sabha in the city tomorrow, and since the mayor is not present, I have to be here to attend it. Translation, someone had to stay back and pretend that the government is still functioning, or maybe he wasn't invited to the Delhi group selfie. But look at the situation we are in. The mayor is gone, the chairperson is gone, the deputy mayor is stuck attending a meeting instead of leading from the front. Meanwhile, garbage trucks are standing still and the city smells like betrayal and lemon. Yes, lemon, because here's where it gets absolutely laughable. Vadodara Municipal Corporation has decided to mask the smell of garbage by spraying lemon-scented powder across the city. Not cleaning it, not removing it, just sprinkling 44,000 kgs of perfume on the filth like some room freshener ad. This isn't cleanliness, this is pure theatre. Sanitation cosplay. Who needs to fix waste collection when you can just make the garbage smell like limbu soda? Meanwhile, more than 100 brand new garbage vans purchased by the corporation with taxpayer money, with your money, are sitting unused in depots. Why? The official reason is contractor delays. Unofficially, sheer mismanagement, bureaucratic laziness, and an open disrespect for very people that they claim to care and serve. The people of Vadodara have every right to be furious. These aren't isolated incidents. They are part of a pattern now. A pattern of running away from problems, of treating criticism like noise, of threatening resignation every time the heat rises, and doing everything but their own jobs. Let's not forget, Mayor Pinky Soni's office was literally vandalized just weeks ago during a protest. But instead of addressing the real anger of citizens, she blamed it all on the opposition drama. No introspection, no apology, no course correction, just more silence, and now a conveniently timed trip to Delhi. And Standing Committee Chair, Dr. Sheetal Mistry, this isn't his first vanishing act either. There have been several complaints of him ignoring internal reports, dodging field visits, and avoiding public question and answers. The last time someone asked him for Vishwamitri's conditions, he blamed climate change. Every time we have tried to ask him a question, the only answer that we have got from his end is that this is all a false propaganda and narrative that is being spread against the VMC. While Deputy Mayor Chirag Barot, for now, has managed to avoid the PR disasters, probably because he is rarely seen in public unless absolutely forced, his refusal to join the Delhi junket could be a saving grace, or it could be that he knows just how bad it looks to leave a burning city behind for a taxpayer-funded confidence. Let's spell it out. Vadodara doesn't need Delhi meetings right now. Vadodara needs working vans, working drains, working leadership. And no lemon powder is not a substitute for basic sanitation. So here's what we demand. And this time we won't settle for silence. 1. Publish the total expenditure of this Delhi trip. The flights, hotels, travel allowances, everything. The public has a right to know where you are spending public's money. 2. Explain why garbage vans bought months ago are still not operational, who's responsible, and or when will they be deployed. 3. Hold a live press conference with all three, the mayor, the standing committee chairman, and the deputy mayor. No PR spin, just straight answers. 4. File an accountability report on why the lemon powder plan was prioritized over hiring more sanitation workers. We want to know. And 5, and the most important, no more resignation threats unless you mean it. Because Vadodara isn't your emotional punching bag, ma'am. The city deserves better. We deserve leadership that works, not leadership that performs. We deserve policies and not your lemon perfumes. And we deserve answers, not airport selfies. If the mayor and her team cannot see the DK right in front of them, no conference in Delhi will give them clarity. If they cannot smell the failure, no lemon powder will cover it up. And if they can't own their responsibilities, maybe resignation is the only honest thing that they should do. Until then, we'll keep showing you what they don't want you to see, the rot, the lies, and the carefully staged silence. This is not governance, this is mockery. And we, the people of Vadodara, are done being mocked. With this and a lot more that will be coming up, make sure that you stay tuned to the Fact Flash.